Double half pod at this vending machine. If you can get over here whenever, no rush.
How do I do this?
All right, this is how we do it. All right, you ready? All right. Are you here?
Yeah.
Okay. Come to me.
Yep.
All right. So the half pod's coming up next. When you see it pop up, grab it. You ready? Go.
Yep. Woo! First try.
The timing isn't like that tight. Like it is, but like you have to kind of suck, you know? Bombs. Fuck it, dude. I might drop my P90.
Wait, we could get 12 things too. Oh wait, never mind. Thought there were 2 vendings for a second.
Right.
Wait.
Wait. When I hit it, when you see it, fucking pop up, then we go.
Okay. Hey. That was the bug.
I don't know how, like, I don't know what the timing is on it. Oh, God. I don't like the sound of that at all. Comforting. Oh, you guys see that lag, dude? My game just crashed. What the fuck was that?
Oh shit! They plays, dude.
Yeah, I have 11 in my stomach. I got bandages. Records?
Got him, no more.
That guy just got
Jumps in here,
knocked into your trap. Do you like that?
Couldn't really see. I was just looking. Hey, there's a guy here. I'm getting him. Hey!
What do we do?
Excuse me! Sir!
Oh, sir!
Crush him! I got him, boys! I got him by the grab! We're grabbing him over here!
Oh, you got it!
I got him,
Oh, no!
Wait, where my?
I got a hold of him! Wrangle him, boys! Get him!
Where'd my
Keep
ball
him in,
go?
boys! Keep him tight! Keep him tight! Don't let him go anywhere, boys!
You got him!
Where'd my ball go? You booking me out of mine, dude.
This motherfucker's whole house up.
Can I build a fucking wall?
I want to throw my fucking mouse. How long has that bug been in the fucking game?
Where's glider redeploy? Sometimes. Wait, where'd the balls go? Don't tell me the balls all rolled away. I need a ball. There's no balls up here? You think maybe up here? Oh no. Rip the ball. There's a ball. Wait, what happened to my glider redeploy? I didn't pick it up?
Alright. Where am my fucking landing, mate? No one's getting this pump. Oh my god, that guy just spawned in, bro. What the fuck was that? Did you guys just see that, or am I fucking tripping?
Hamtaro! Hey!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm bugging out.
Why did he give up? He could have. I'm so confused.
I dropped my laptop in the lake during the summer. Now it's just Adele rolling in the deep.
Why does it say second? I just won and it didn't count.
Give that person a sub because I hate them now.
I hate solo. No, he's not.
There's a guy on a hoverboard solo. Hit white, super
I
low.
think he's getting chased.
Oh!
Oh.
Do I dare? I do.
I just got shot at.
I see it.
It's on your face!
Multiple bogeys over. Multiple bogeys over. Landing on top of multiple bogeys.
Why does it keep disconnecting?
Jump out of a tree, no scope. Here we go.
I'm distracting.
Oh, I'm coming for this guy.
No scope! Wait.
One no scope. Last one.
Last one.
Don't kill him.
Hamster wheel.
Ball kill.
Do it, Marcel, do it.
Here he is.
Get it, Marcel. I'm not shooting.
Get him white.
I'm not shooting. Come on, Marcel. Oh, no shields. Just spray his wall.
It's all Marcel. 50 HP.
Spray his wall.
Hit him, what?
Keep going.
Hit him. 20 more HP. 20 HP.
All right, he's one shot. Marcel.
Can't get in?
No. We're getting in. No. He's one hit.
Yes!
We did it.
Yes,
Finally.
dude. Yes. That looked.
How? How did he die? Green pump down here. Green tack. Cover the pump, Justin. We got more people here.
A double desk pop. Get it? Is there another guy here? Where is he?
On
me down here. What's up, bots? Go back to the
Down
lobby.
there. I was gonna see you.
Go tell your friends you got killed by Tim and Tatman. Hey, you want one too? And you got meleeed, all of you. Go tell all of your friends at lunch today that Tim the Tatman squad wiped me and I'm bad.
We go.
There's
right.
no way this works.
Is this not?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Let's
go.
Dude, are you kidding me?
We gotta be the first to do this.
World first pog.
New clip.
He's got good technique, dude. Can they make this a Fortnite dance? Oh my god, if they made this a Fortnite dance, it would be the greatest culmination of all of the memes in the world around Tyler that have ever happened. Because it would literally be old ninja as a dance, dude. Please, Fortnite, please make this a dance.
Just got more money.
Make this a dance.
Bro, don't even fucking joke with me. I will lose my fucking mind. Bro. I'm checking, bro. He didn't get in. Alright, well. Guess what? Whoever said that, you're getting fucking banned. Because you're a liar and you can suck my ass, dude. Where's he at? Where's this motherfucker? Dang, Thief just got in the lobby. Yeah, you're fucking banned. Suck it, noob. You're a half pot, but I don't care because you're a liar. You're a lying half pot, buddy. So suck it, dude. Thief's got in. Well, look, another guy, dude. He didn't fucking get in. There goes another ban. Another half pot. Wow, 6-month sub. And he's lying to his fucking loyal streamer. Absolute fucking scumbag, mate. Wow. Unlucky. There's another ban. No thieves didn't. There we go. There's a VIP mod. That's what happens when you're, you know, I'm just going to go ahead and VIP that guy. Hopefully, you know, /VIP.
Now I'm done with all you said. All you wanted was my bread. Got me messed up in the